Hello everyone. Would you like me to show you one of the useless settings currently running on your smartphones? They're needlessly draining your battery and taking up RAM. And it can also slow down your phone. Plus, this setting and this feature are duplicated on your phone. I'll show you everything now. Let's support the video by liking it, subscribing to the channel, and sharing with friends. So, this setting is initially located in the Google Play Store. Look, go here, click on your avatar, and click Play Protect. Look, the check was completed 9 minutes ago. That means these 6 apps and 118 others were checked. This check can be performed several times a day. And no one warns you about it. And to thoroughly check everything, of course, it's using up your battery. The processor is constantly working, and the RAM is under load. And sometimes it happens that you're simply playing a game or watching YouTube, and your phone starts to slow down. You don't know what to do. Of course, you just close the app and open it again. That's precisely when this check might be happening. All apps on the Google Play Store undergo numerous checks before they get there, and they're already scanned for viruses. Secondly, if you go to your security, there's another antivirus program there that works exactly the same way. And look, when you go to settings, it scans all apps before installing. It also updates automatically, and so on. Basically, both antivirus programs are doing the same job. So, you can disable one. Here, click the gear icon in Play Protection. If you have the Help Improve Protection feature enabled, disable it too, and simply click Disable Scanning. If you have a password on your phone, you simply confirm it, like my fingerprint. That's it. We have Play Protection disabled, but we have another antivirus that works just fine and performs exactly the same actions. Now you've saved a lot of battery life, and your phone will even run faster and more efficiently. Give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends. Yeah.